Every day, 529 million people repeat the same quiet ritual of pricking their finger to figure out their blood sugar levels. It's a momentary sting that echoes a lifetime of vigilance against the well-known disease, diabetes. We all know what diabetes is. In fact, it affects 1 out of 10 people, and it's silently reshaping our economy and future familial health. Also, diabetes isn't a disease confined by the borders of a country or a territory. It's a global undercurrent affecting lots of people. China and India top global chart for diabetics, home to more than 200 million diabetics. That may seem crazy, but in the same study, it was found that by 2045, these numbers could surge to nearly 300 million people. It's true that China and India are also the most populated countries on Earth. Ultimately, this isn't really just about population and population growth. It could be about politics, urbanization, and diets, but really what we're going to focus on is scientists attempting to crack the code to solving the issue of diabetes or attempting to solve a part of it. A century ago, insulin changed everything, and it transformed diabetes from a death sentence into a lifelong battle. Millions spend thousands each year just to stay alive. This sustains life for the patients. However, for individual nations, it's going to drain billions in healthcare, and it's going to lead to a loss in economic productivity, which is definitely going to lead to some political outrage. And that's why researchers are trying to chase something that really hasn't been done before in terms of diabetes, and that they're trying to find a cure that's regenerating what diabetes destroys. Inside leading labs from Beijing to Boston, the supposed new cure, stem cell therapy. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly is a stem cell? And the two main properties, it has a great ability to self-renew and make exact copies of itself, but it also has the potential to develop into more specialized cells. And this is why researchers are using it to try to cure diabetes, create a naturally producing source of insulin. This hunt for a new cure has challenged governments to act and investors to fund ethically and societies to believe again and to see discovery not as a privilege but as a shared promise, creating a positive view of a scientific community in my perspective.